Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything relaxed hair care, where I share my own relaxed hair journey and anything relating to hair care. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to build a wash day routine. Okay, wash days do not have to be complicated. All right, so how to know when and how to use your products so that your wash days become simple but effective. So let's get right into the video. So on a usual wash day, what you would have to do or what you have to start with is something we call pre-pooing or pre-shampooing. What is pre-pooing? Pre means before, right? So you are trying to do something before you shampoo, because during shampooing your hair is stripped of the natural oils, and also once your shampoo goes in and your hair is not well detangled, your hair will tangle and your hair will break. So pre-pooing is like prepping your way for your shampooing, if it makes sense. So there are a few things that you can do as your pre-poo. All right, now we have a lot of DIYs. So some people would want to do their own mixing or mixtures, and some of us would want to go in straight with already made products. So this here is from African Pride. It's made up of aloe and coconut water. Pre-shampoo. That's what I use. It has that slip that will make, what we call it, detangling very easy. So it's either you are using a product like this or you are making your own mixture home. Some people want to mix some oils with honey just to get the slip. You are just coating or protecting your hair, and it's also helping you to detangle. You can use oils like coconut oil, olive oil, and then prep your hair for the shampoo. This is the first step. And then your shampoo, you are also trying to make sure that your hair is getting the moisture that it needs. So you are going to be using a moisturizing shampoo. Depends on your hair. I've said this already. So it's either a clarifying shampoo or a moisturizing shampoo. All right, and these are my own two favorites, not sponsored, just for demonstration purpose. All right, so Cream of Nature, this shampoo, I don't say much. Those who have used it know what I'm talking about. It is super moisturizing. It smells amazing. You want to go in with a moisturizing shampoo or a clarifying shampoo. This one does a lot of work. It does moisturize. It moisturizes, but it has a clarifying effect as well. So any of this would work. Now, once you are done, if it depends on your hair, if you have done your pre-shampooing or your prepping for the shampoo very well, and you feel that your hair is well detangled, your hair doesn't need any extra detangling, then of course you are going to go straight into deep conditioning once you are done shampooing. So you would need your moisturizing deep conditioner. It also depends on what your hair needs. You might need a protein deep conditioner on that wash day, but on a usual day, right after your shampoo, you go into your moisturizing deep conditioner. Someone like me, with the kind of hair I have, is very coarse, it's very thick, so I don't usually skip my regular conditioners unless I'm doing a protein treatment, okay, where I don't want anything on my hair before the protein. You move from shampoo, you can go to deep conditioner. If you are like me, you can use your regular conditioner before your deep conditioner. Right after your deep conditioning, you are going in with your moisturizing and sealing. And this one, I have already spoken about it and I've even done a video about this, right? Going with your leave-in, your butters, and your oils just to lock in the moisture. This is pretty much it for a wash day. It doesn't have to be complicated. This is how you start, simple but effective. Yes. So if you have been doing your wash day in a different order than what I have stated, pre-pooing, shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioning, moisturizing, and sealing, then please do the right thing. All right, so that will be it for today's video. If this was helpful, then by all means like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Be good. Bye.